Hello and welcome to this week's KitPlus TV news, supported by OpenGear, the industry standard platform of choice for modular signal processing.
So with IBC approaching, you wouldn't be surprised if this new show was packed with the latest and greatest things to see in Amsterdam from the 15th to the 18th of September. And we have just that, just not in this show. For this, you'll need to check out the IBC News special. We'll be doing these on a regular basis leading up to the show, and on the 31st of August we have our marathon day-long live stream. Take a look out for this.
Yep, it's going to be a very interesting day with over 100 guests and with just 5 minutes each. Head over to kitplus.com/live and you can set a reminder on the channel. There's plenty going on in the industry outside of trade shows, of course, and today we will try and cover a small selection from virtual production to cloud playout, and today with some comment from Mr Mxf surrounding sustainability. More on that in a minute or two.
So let's start with Veset, who have announced that its cloud playout platform Nimbus is now integrated with AWS Elemental MediaTailor. The integration makes it simple for users to build channels and insert personalized ads entirely in the cloud. Users can build their channels within Nimbus as usual and use the MediaTailor integration to create rules and push personalized ads based on a number of viewer metrics. With adoption of ad-supported streaming outpacing SVOD, combining Nimbus with MediaTailor makes it possible for channel creators to tap into a growing appetite for free ad-supported content while ensuring ads are as targeted as possible.
Now, we talk about these people a lot on the show, CJP Broadcast Service Solutions, and there's a reason for that. They've won a tender to build a high-performance virtual production environment for Solent University in Southampton. The new facilities, converted from an existing studio space, will provide students on the film production courses with outstanding opportunities to develop their creative output. This studio will feature a very large 10 by 3 metre LED wall with a 4 by 2 metre ceiling panel for volumetric operations. The wall uses IOTO LED panels. Virtual graphics are generated by the Mosys VP Pro XR, and CJP is also supplying a red Komodo 6K camera with Sigma cinematic lenses. There's a lot going on there.
So just a bit. So Pier59 Studios has installed Planar LED solutions in its new virtual production studios in Chelsea Piers, New York City. As the largest photography and multimedia complex for fashion and advertising in the world, Pier59 is embracing the next era of content creation with the launch of an immense state-of-the-art virtual production stage. The new virtual stage features a disguised media server and a stunning array of LED display technologies from Planar.
Whitby has introduced Smart Navigate, the company's latest AI-powered algorithm enabling video service providers to dramatically reduce the time required to script automatic tests for set-top boxes and mobile applications. Smart Navigate marks the most recent AI integration for Whitby, who has been using the technology since 2004 to help free service providers from time-consuming and repetitive tasks.
Dalet is enabling more efficient creative production workflows with major enhancements to its award-winning cloud-native Dalet Flex platform. The latest release brings new fast-paced editing workflows with Dalet Cut, an enhanced user interface for Flex Move, and simplified camera card ingest. As a comprehensive and advanced media logistic platform, Dalet Flex provides full flexibility to configure workflows in the cloud, on-premise, or a hybrid of both.
Now, we've covered this story last week actually, but as you'd expect, Mr Mxf has some further insight into sustainability, so let's have a look.
I must confess that I like a visual aid. Cinegy have managed to squeeze the complete 4-camera production and delivery system with 5G connectivity into the trunk of a tiny little Microlino car, and it uses the car's batteries for power. Magic! Now, what I find particularly impressive, it's not really the physical size nor the fact that it's so energy efficient. The impressive thing is that Cinegy actually knows all the power numbers and the power density numbers for all the processors that their broad range of tools provide. That's pretty rare, but thankfully it's becoming more and more important as the race to reduce emissions by switching to renewables and simply using less stuff nears the top of the priority list for both media companies and media tech companies. Now, there are a number of sustainability conferences popping up in the industry and an excellent podcast from the Green Software Foundation that explains what can be measured and what can be changed to reduce your impact in the data center. Nice job, Cinegy. I love the microlinear visual aid. It's perfect.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Mr Mxf, and definitely one to look out for in Amsterdam, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. So, CVP has furthered its strategic expansion into Europe, setting a new benchmark for customer service and support in the creative industries. Responding to the challenges posed by Brexit, CVP applied its 37 years of unmatched experience to establish operations in Belgium in 2021, allowing for seamless and duty-efficient shipping to EU countries. The success of this venture has since led to the opening of a larger and more comprehensive facility in Vilvoorde, Belgium. This new CVP facility in Vilvoorde spans over 850 square metres with sales offices, demo spaces, engineering facilities and warehousing dedicated to stocking the latest and most sought-after production equipment.
Vislink Technologies has announced the availability of its Link Matrix remote control management platform on Amazon Web Services. Link Matrix allows for its live broadcast devices. The integration with AWS provides users enhanced control, flexibility and speed, elevating production workflows and promoting innovation in live broadcast and performances in the field.
Nevion's flagship media orchestration platform, Video iPath, was used successfully to demonstrate the dynamic prioritization of live media signals over 5G connectivity in a proof of concept during the coronation of King Charles III earlier this year. The test was carried out by Nevion private 5G SA networks developer Neutral Wireless and the research and development arm of the BBC.
LiveView IP video ecosystem solutions are enabling a full cloud production for European League of Football coverage, streaming up to 6 live games per day to ELF's digital platform. Multicam LU800 field encoders are being used in the required locations with LiveView smart data providing optimal data management with terabyte capacity. The live production is being managed entirely in the cloud by German production house Novell Media from its Munich office.
Clearcom have supplied a Virginia-based laser tag company, Mission Laser, a Clearcom DX210 digital wireless system to communicate effectively with staff and customers. Comprised of a 2-channel communication-based system and lightweight all-in-one WH220 wireless handsets. This system was an instant upgrade over the walkie-talkies the staff previously used, offering sound clarity and interference-free communications with the option of a single or dual-channel intercom system in Mission Laser's demanding environment. Bit left field for us, but that shows the variety of applications outside of a broadcast studio, I guess.
Indeed, sounds like good fun as well.
Yeah, there you go.
The BCM300 Deluxe Broadcast Mic Stand has been released by Ultimate Support Systems. The stand brings fluid functionality and comfortability together in a single sleek model that is intended to be camera friendly. From conference calls and podcasts to live streams and radio shows, the BCM300 fits the need of a large variety of production value-orientated users.
Another left field one. Interesting. Gravity Media has detailed new camera technology designed and developed in Australia for the global coverage of this year's The 100, the rapidly growing professional cricket franchise tournament created by the England and Wales Cricket Board. So Gravity Media Australia's Globe Cam speciality camera is providing its groundbreaking helmet cam to add further depth to the broadcast coverage across all matches in this year's The 100.
Magewell has announced the immediate availability of Control Hub, the company's second-generation centralized device and stream management software. The successor to the established Magewell cloud platform, Control Hub provides centralized configuration and control of multiple Magewell streaming and IP conversion solutions. The Control Hub software can be deployed on-premise or in the cloud and supports Magewell hardware products including UltraStream and UltraEncode live media encoders. ProConvert NDI encoders and decoders, the ProConvert Audio DX/IP audio converter, and the USB Fusion capture and mixing device. I know we'll be looking at that one in depth at IBC.
Yeah, cool. So AIMS API has launched Prompt Search, a new product that allows exploring music catalogues using natural language phrases and descriptions instead of traditional keywords and tags. Prompt Search is revolutionary in that it makes finding the right tracks for audiovisual projects as simple and enjoyable as taking advice from a musically knowledgeable friend. All a user needs to do is type in a search describing what they are looking for. This could be a scene, location, time period, musical style, or even an entire music brief. The AI, developed by AIMS, will then identify suitable tracks based on the audio only and deliver perfect results in seconds.
Sounds good.
It does sound good, actually.
Now, you may recall last month we reported on Zeiss acquiring NCAM, and they're now offering a new powerful and flexible camera tracking system as part of their Syncraft ecosystem. Built on NCAM's unique tracking technology and Zeiss's expertise in lens data, the camera tracking system is easy to use and introduces a user experience designed to match the film crew's workflow. Zeiss Syncraft Scenario provides camera tracking data for use in real-time rendering engines for virtual production or live compositing. In addition, it lets the user record tracking data for post-production.
EditShare has recently provided a large-scale storage network for directors' cut films who house 34 offline Avid suites, 5 online editing rooms which support Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve and fully featured Avid, 3 audio suites and a large grading theatre with Bakelite 2. The storage system itself provides more than a petabyte of usable storage. It consists of 5 nodes, each of 256 terabytes, configured to provide the highest levels of resilience and eliminating any single point of failure. The resilience built in also includes duplicated metadata controllers and high-speed fibre Ethernet switches. A 6th EditShare node is also included in a high security environment to provide external access for receipt of content from locations, for remote logins and for delivery.
Excellent. That's it for the news this week. If you're interested in IBC news, then do check out our regular updates specific to that, as well as, of course, as saving the date of 31st of August for our live stream. Head over to kitplus.com/live where you can set a reminder. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.